Good morning, everyone. It's a wonderfully rainy day out today. Me and the boys are hanging out at the house. I'm making some breakfast. Dad's special pancakes this morning. Pancakes with a little bit of fruity dino bites. Got some bacon going down here. Come along. The cat's hanging out with us. Hey, Binks. You're never in the videos anymore. What are you up to, huh? Trying to hide from the boys? Come here, Binksy. Not much going on today. I hope you had a good Friday the 13th. Me and the boys survived it okay. When Rachel came home from work, we went to Friday the 13th Halloween party. The boys stayed home with a sitter. It's a pretty good day. Not too bad. We don't have a whole lot going on today, just hanging out, chilling at the house. What do you do to your pancakes to make them not so boring? I like to put a little bit of almond extract in them, and then sometimes I'll throw some cereal in there. Hey, buddy. Say hey to everyone in the vlog. He's like, nah, Dad, I ain't saying nothing. Go cook my food. They get all excited when it's time to start cooking. We also finally put out, well, I put out some of our Halloween decorations. So our kitchen is decorated because the boys will really just grab and tear up anything. Here's the pumpkins from last year. And a little book and our skull candles. And we got these little cute fellas over here hanging out. And this guy right here is one of my favorites when I'm doing dishes. Hanging out with him. A little pumpkin head. I got a couple pumpkins out on the front porch. I'll show you guys that later. And I'm gonna put some Halloween lights up if it'll stop raining so that I can get out there and do it. Hopefully it won't be too much longer. Oliver, Ollie, go blow on it. Yeah, good boy. You tell him to blow on his food when it's hot. What about you? When you blow on it, you don't care. You're fearless. That's funny to me. It's cute. This here is a pear apple. Now this is what Rachel picked a bunch of. I picked a bunch of Fuji apples, I think. I'm not sure. But I didn't pick any of these because the dude said they weren't that good. But we've been eating through the apples over the last week. And just pulled one of these out yesterday. And me and the boys had it. And it is exactly what it sounds like. It's a pear apple. It is, just if you can imagine a apple and a pear combination. And it's actually really good. Like, I just peel it and then chop it up, and me and the boys have one. So if you've never had one and they're in your store, give it a try. It's actually not that bad. My little pumpkin. I don't know if you could hear it on the video, but it is pouring outside, and Quinn, he's been standing next to me for like the past 5 minutes. Started like really coming down and thundering. We were playing with our school bus. We were rolling it back and forth, and I pulled out the camera to say hello, and was gonna get a little bit of video of that because it was really cute. And then as soon as my camera came out, it started coming down really hard out there, and he got up and walked over, and he's just not been willing to go away. Who you waving at? You waving at you? Yeah. Bah. Bah. That's what he does when we call Granny. When we FaceTime with Granny, he always waves. Hey, Ollie. Ollie, baby, don't scream. Don't scream at the camera. It's really loud. Say hi. Say hi. Or not. Anyway. Woohoo. I went outside earlier before it started coming down really hard to look. And I wanted to look at the the gutters over here because it sounds like it's coming down pretty heavy right here. And I think we have a clogged up gutter because it's just coming down really crazy right here. So that'll be something we have to look into later. But we were, like I said, we were playing and watching Scooby-Doo. It's a new Scooby-Doo, though, not one of the good classic ones. They don't come on anymore. I do have a DVD with some of them on them, but I just put this on because it was on demand. But whatever. Good boy. Make it sing. Good boy. Yeah. Quinn, you want to roll the ball? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go. Go, go. Go, baby. Go, baby. Go, go, go. Let's go, let's go. It's bath time. It's dark in here. Bath time! This is a very dangerous thing to let go on right now. Let him have that. What are you doing? What are you doing? They're much more talkative when they're in the bath. Okay, I was gonna wrap up the vlog for today with you and your brother right before bed, but he's already in bed, so it's just you and me. Your mom went downstairs, your brother went to bed, so let's tell everyone in the vlog bye, and thanks for watching. Can you say bye-bye? No. You can wave though. Thank you. Let's say bye-bye as long as no one's looking, right? Right. Good boy. Alright guys, thank you for watching. More fun stuff to come, more lazy days to come, because, you know, it is what it is. But either way, thank you for watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, and until next time guys, bye. Peace.